times and heavy rains, 3 weeks to 4 weeks consecutively. Finally, the floods already subsided, and we're still trying to fix and repair the rice paddy, and then we're still observing if there's still some more typhoons coming, and we're trying to be careful now. And anyway, we still have the 3-meter perimeter to repair over there where the flood overflows due to heavy rains and consecutively for how many weeks and days. It's been raining non-stop and flooded the whole area, flooded all over. We have water from the irrigation, and finally the flood is gone. And now this time we have to run the water to soak the soil over there for us to start the tractor for the sulit, and but we need to cement it. Only the motion is flowing, and over there the perimeter was erode because of the pressure of the flood coming from that space. Here, the rice paddy. And let's see, there's no more rain, and we're able to cement or fix the perimeter of the irrigation area. So it's the go signal. Tractor, because we're spending so much money and nothing is over now gain, not even break even. It's always the capital that's always taken, and only less capital left for us to remove. And hopefully God will give us more wisdom